Vivian. I'm the co-founder of Go Mama. We are a social enterprise dedicated to supporting nursing moms who are on the go through our wayfinding app and our Lactation Pods. Go Mama was born out of a passion to support breastfeeding mothers in Singapore. We recognize the challenges that many mothers face in finding suitable nursing spaces while on the go. I experienced the challenges firsthand, and I feel strongly that change is needed. In Singapore, where more than 50% of our workforce is women, we need greater awareness of this societal issue to help women thrive in both their personal and professional lives. In our early days, we collaborated with Republic Polytechnic Office of Entrepreneurship Development, supported by the Makerspace to develop our first prototype, and also had access to domain experts who help us navigate the complexity of launching a novel product. Being part of the Republic Polytechnic ecosystem has provided us with exposure to potential overseas partners who are interested in our solution. Today, Go Mama has partnered with various agencies and corporates to deploy more pods into the community as well as workspaces. We leverage the EPIC grant to explore these opportunities with a partner in Vietnam. As an impact founder, I'm driven by the change that we create and the lives that we touch, so that when the going gets tough, your passion will fuel your perseverance. I think the whole company, we are very aligned on wanting to support mothers, inspire our team to keep moving forward.